Welcome to Auto Updater, your go-to destination for the latest automotive insights, in-depth reviews, and cutting-edge vehicle technology. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 BMW 5 Series, a masterpiece of engineering that combines luxury, performance, and innovation like never before. The 2025 BMW 5 Series has been completely redesigned to set new standards in the executive sedan segment. Its exterior boasts a sharper, more aerodynamic profile with a bold kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that enhances its aggressive stance. The refined body lines flow seamlessly into the rear, where dynamic OLED taillights and an integrated spoiler complete the futuristic look. Under the hood, the 2025 5 Series offers multiple powertrain options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology delivering 375 horsepower, and a powerful plug-in hybrid variant. For those seeking ultimate performance, the M550i iDrive comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, generating an exhilarating 523 horsepower, while the fully electric i5 variant offers cutting-edge EV technology with up to 590 horsepower in the M60 model. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that blends high-quality materials with state-of-the-art technology. The curved BMW iDrive 8.5 display seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with the massive 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The latest iDrive system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and BMW's intelligent personal assistant for voice commands. The crystal-clear Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system ensures a premium audio experience, while ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic glass sunroof elevate comfort to new heights. Advanced driver assistance features make the 2025 BMW 5 Series one of the safest cars on the road. BMW's latest semi-autonomous driving system allows hands-free driving on highways, while adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide enhanced security. The parking assistant with remote control parking ensures effortless maneuvering, even in tight spaces. On the road, the 2025 5 Series delivers a refined yet thrilling driving experience. The adaptive M suspension and variable sport steering offer a perfect balance of comfort and agility. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction, making it a confident performer in all weather conditions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new BMW 5 Series, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Updater for more exclusive car reviews and updates. Stay tuned for our next video, where we bring you the latest innovations from the automotive world.